Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding the exact file and ensuring it can be deleted. Locate the folder path and confirm the extension so you target the right item. Once done, close Excel and any add-ins or viewers that might lock the file. Closed handles prevent errors. If the file syncs with OneDrive or SharePoint, pause sync or sign out temporarily so the cloud won't recreate or block deletion. These steps avoid accidental data loss and locked file failures. Now perform the deletion. In File Explorer, select the file and press Delete to move it to Recycle Bin, or use Shift+Delete to remove permanently. Use Control-Click for multiple files. If the file lives in OneDrive or SharePoint, delete via the web interface and then empty the Cloud Recycle Bin to finalize removal. Version history may persist until cleared. For network drives, ensure you have write permission. Otherwise, request the necessary access. These choices control recovery options and finality. Finish by emptying the recycle bin locally and in your cloud service so the file is truly removed and space is reclaimed. If deletion fails, open Task Manager and end Excel or related processes. A running handle is the usual culprit. Make sure you have sufficient permissions. Run File Explorer as an administrator if needed. For stubborn files, boot in safe mode or use an elevated command prompt with the del command. This bypasses many locks. One key troubleshooting tip: unlockers or Explorer restarts often resolve persistent locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.